Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video and I just wanted to show you all how I have my classic Happy Planner budget planner set up. These stickers here all came from Shay Budgets. These stickers are actually for the mini Happy Planner, but of course I just had to make do with what I had, so I added them to my classic Happy Planner. The bills that you see that are in blue are already accounted for in the February, well, the last February's paycheck, so that's why they don't have a sticker. So as you can see, we got a few paydays here which are somewhat close to each other. Also, when it comes to AT&T, as you can see, that bill is, let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if you're able to see this or not. Okay, you should be able to see it now. So when it comes to AT&T, you know, we paid off the cell phones. We got the bill lowered by almost $63. So instead of it being $241.66, the bill should be $179 and some change. The electricity bill was $96 or $97. We did round to $100. For LCU, I've already paid that bill, and that bill came from when I paid or purchased the Happy Planner companion pack. Planet Fitness, this doesn't come out of my account, but I do still keep track of it. So there's another payday there. Doctor bill payment, we don't really have to worry about that since I've actually, sorry about that, I hit the camera. I've actually already paid that off in full. And the last bill is State Farm. I do have a few goals here, which is to pay off all medical bills, which I've already done, so we don't have to worry about that. The second goal is to not use the credit cards except the bills that are on auto pay. So I do have some bills that are on auto pay when it comes to the credit cards, so they would see a little usage. I think I have Hulu going to Discover. No, that's Netflix. Netflix goes to Discover. I have my FICO score getting taken care of by Capital One. I have gas. Of course, I'm going to probably start using gas on my, or getting gas on my Walmart card, just to show some usage. And of course, I'm wanting to stick to the budget 100% this time, 100%. Okay, let me zoom back out. So I know when it comes to this planner isn't for people that get paid on bi-weekly, or better yet, weekly. It's typically for people that gets paid once a month, so I'm wanting to show you how I use this planner. As you can see, these stickers again are from Shay Budgets. I do have this set up a little different than what it normally looks like. Normally it would look like, let me show you, it would normally look like this. So let's go back and I can show you. Okay, so when it comes to the income, I'm going to keep that blank at the moment. When it comes to rent, the total rent would be how much is my rent? $7.25. For State Farm, it's $171.22. The electric bill, since the last month was $100, I'm just going to budget in $100 just in case. And we know what this bill is. I know it's $179 and some change, so I'm just going to put $180. For my FICO, of course, that bill is $29.95, and Netflix is on Discover for $9.85. I'm thinking, is there any other bill? No, that I know of. Right now, these are pretty much all the bills. For vacation, we are going to budget for $120. For car maintenance, we are going to budget for $60. For ride share, normally it would be $80, but I brung that down, so we're just going to budget for $60. For gifts, $40. For health, I believe it's $80. When it comes to grocery and household, for the total amount for the month, we're going to do let's see, I think it's $320. Yeah, that's right. $320. Out of town, we're just going to do $70. For salon, we're going to budget for, I believe it's $55. Miscellaneous for the total month would be $100. Gas for the total month, $80. Fun money, $40. Fast food, $80. Laundry, $20. For emergency funds, of course, emergency funds would be a little different. We don't really have a budgeted amount, but we are going to put the budgeted amount. I'm just going to leave that blank. Also, when it comes to the car, the starting amount is $3,000, and I think it's 143, and that was as of yesterday. Of course, I'm using my phone to record, so I'll have to go back and add everything up. But this is what my budget normally looks like when it comes to the monthly. Also, my phone battery just got low, so that means that the light has went out. Also, when it comes to the expenses, of course, you know I take the weekly expense. I would either cover that up like I did here. So you have income. Let me see if I can make this better when it comes to the lighting. Okay, I'm back. That should look a little better. Also, let me zoom in a little bit as well. When it comes to the first paycheck, which I would make a separate video as well, but normally what I would do, I would cover this up and put income, budgeted, actual, plus or minus. And when it comes to the bills, you have bills, expenses, budgeted, check-in, additional payment just in case I may want to pay something extra, and total. So when it comes to the first paycheck, we just have these here until I have everything else added, and then I would make another video about this where I would put in the totals or my budgeted amount. And on this page here, typically it would be for the second paycheck, and of course I'll have these pages